Welcome to this video about the OpenStack with NetApp Cloud ONTAP test drive on Amazon Web Services. This test drive will be most beneficial to those who would like to learn further about NetApp's ONTAP platform and its OpenStack integrations. NetApp's vision is to let customers like you have control of your data, no matter where it's located. This is enabled by solutions such as Cloud ONTAP, NetApp Private Storage, Alta Vault, OpenStack integrations, and other products. For this test drive, familiarity with Cloud ONTAP, Data ONTAP, or OpenStack is not required, but can be useful. The exercises use Cloud ONTAP as an underpinning for OpenStack. In this video, we will first do an overview of the test drive. Next, we will cover the different instances and networks that have been set up. We will then touch on the different tools you will use to perform the exercises in the lab guide. These include On-Command System Manager, OpenStack Dashboard, and OpenStack CLI. Finally, we will provide some pointers before you start doing the lab exercises. Let us go through an overview of this test drive. The two technologies that you will use are NetApp's Cloud ONTAP and OpenStack. Cloud ONTAP allows you to manage and maintain control of your resident cloud data on your terms. You pay only for what you use when you use it. OpenStack cloud computing software controls large pools of compute, storage, and networking resources throughout your IT environment and can be configured to work with Amazon Web Services infrastructure. Within OpenStack, you will work with three components: the image service or Glance, the file share service or Manila, and the block storage service or Cinder. By working with NetApp's ONTAP platform and OpenStack, you gain different values, including storage efficiency, unified architecture, continuous operations, secure multi-tenancy, data protection, and seamless scaling. The hands-on exercises take you through each of these values using OpenStack with Cloud ONTAP as the underlying storage operating system. As you can see, the test drive has been set up with 4 instances and 2 networks. The instances most important to you are the Windows Jump Host and OpenStack. All exercises will be performed from one of these 2 instances. Let us now take a look at the different tools we will use for this test drive. The first is NetApp's On-Command System Manager. Using System Manager, we will configure NetApp Cloud ONTAP storage built on AWS, Elastic Compute Cloud, and Elastic Block Storage. To get to System Manager, log into your Jump Host, navigate to the IP address indicated, and enter the username and password provided. We will work with OpenStack Dashboard, also known as Horizon. From Horizon, your OpenStack virtual machines and storage can be managed visually. To get to Horizon, log into your Jump Host, navigate to the IP address indicated, and log in using the credentials provided. Finally, you will also become familiar with the OpenStack CLI. The CLI provides an alternative to Horizon for interacting with OpenStack. Before you can use the CLI, log into OpenStack and source the keystone_rc_admin file. Before we let you go, we just want to share a couple of pointers. Depending on your familiarity with NetApp Cloud ONTAP and OpenStack, parts of this test drive can prove to be time-consuming. Therefore, we recommend that you read the lab guide as you wait for the lab to be prepared. If you are pressed for time, try to do at least 2 of the 3 exercises that have been set up for you. That's all we wanted to show you in this NetApp Cloud ONTAP and OpenStack test drive video. We hope you find the time you take with this test drive well spent.